was a quiet morning. Emma woke up early, as usual, but today felt different. The sound of birds chirping outside her window and the warm sunlight streaming through her curtains didn't bring her the usual sense of peace. Instead, she felt uneasy. Emma stretched her arms and sat on the edge of her bed. She looked at the clock. It was 6:30 a.m. She sighed and said to herself, "Today is the day. I have to decide." The big decision had been on her mind for weeks. Should she take the new job in another city? It was a big opportunity, but it also meant leaving behind her friends, her family, and the life she had built here. Emma walked to the bathroom, splashing cold water on her face. "Come on, Emma," she whispered to herself in the mirror. "You've got to think clearly." She brushed her teeth and quickly tied her hair into a ponytail. In the kitchen, Emma made her usual cup of coffee. The smell of fresh coffee filled the air, but even her favorite drink couldn't calm her nerves. She sat at the table, staring at the steam rising from her cup. Thoughts ran through her mind like a storm. What if I fail? What if I don't like the new city? But what if this is the chance I've been waiting for? As she sipped her coffee, Emma decided to make a list. She grabbed a notebook and wrote down 2 headings: reasons to stay and reasons to go. On the stay side, she wrote things like close to family, comfortable, and I know this city well. On the go side, she wrote new experiences, career growth, and a chance to be independent. Her pen hovered over the page. The lists were balanced. There was no clear winner. She leaned back in her chair, staring at the words. At that moment, her phone buzzed. It was a message from her best friend, Mia. "Good morning. Don't overthink it, Emma. Follow your heart." Emma smiled, but the message only made her feel more uncertain. She didn't know where her heart was leading her. The big decision wasn't going to be easy. After finishing her coffee, Emma decided she couldn't figure this out alone. She needed advice from people she trusted. She grabbed her phone and called her mom. "Hi, sweetheart," her mom answered, her voice warm and cheerful. "How are you today?" "I'm okay, Mom," Emma said hesitantly. "Actually, I need your advice. I've been thinking about the new job offer. It's a big decision, and I don't know what to do." Her mom paused for a moment. "I understand, Emma. Change is always scary, but it can also be exciting. Tell me, what's holding you back?" Emma sighed. "Well, I'll miss you, Dad, and everyone here. What if I move to the new city and it doesn't work out? What if I feel lonely? What if it's a mistake?" Her mom's voice was calm. "Emma, you've always been brave. Remember when you started university? You were nervous, but you did so well. And remember when you joined your first job? You were scared then too, but look at how far you've come. Sometimes the best opportunities come when we take risks." Emma nodded silently. Her mom's words made sense, but the fear of change was still there. "Thanks, Mom. I'll think about what you said," she replied before ending the call. Still unsure, Emma decided to call her best friend, Mia. Mia always knew how to put things into perspective. "Hey, Mia," Emma said, trying to sound confident. "I need your help. What do you think about this job offer? Should I take it?" "Emma," Mia said, her voice full of excitement. "I think you should go for it. This is such an amazing chance for you. I mean, it's scary to move, sure, but you'll grow so much. You've been talking about wanting to challenge yourself, and this is the perfect opportunity." "But what if I don't like it there? What if I fail?" Emma asked, her voice filled with doubt. "Listen, Emma," Mia said firmly. "You're not going to fail. Even if things don't work out, you'll learn something new. And don't forget, I'll always be here for you. You can call me anytime. Plus, you'll make new friends, explore a new city, and do something exciting with your career. Don't let fear stop you." Emma smiled. Mia always had a way of making things sound so simple. "Thanks, Mia. I'll think about it." After the calls, Emma sat quietly in her living room. Her mom believed in her, and Mia was cheering her on, but deep down, she still had doubts. The decision was hers to make. No one else could decide for her. She had to trust herself. Emma looked at her notebook again, reading over the lists she had made earlier. This time, she noticed something she hadn't seen before. The reasons to stay were about comfort and familiarity. The reasons to go were about growth and opportunity. It was clear that staying meant stepping into the future. The thought made her heart race. She wasn't ready to decide yet, but for the first time, she felt like she was getting closer. After the calls with her mom and Mia, Emma decided she needed some time alone to think. She grabbed her jacket, slipped on her shoes, and headed out for a walk. The fresh air felt good on her face, and the sounds of the city, cars passing by, children playing in the park, and birds chirping, helped clear her mind. Emma walked to her favorite spot, a quiet bench by the river. She sat down and watched the water flow gently, the sunlight sparkling on its surface. It reminded her of how life keeps moving forward, no matter what. She closed her eyes and took a deep breath. "What do I really want?" she whispered to herself. For so long, she had been living in her comfort zone, surrounded by familiar faces and places. But deep down, she knew something was missing. She wanted to challenge herself, to grow, to see what she was capable of. Emma opened her notebook again and looked at her lists. She started imagining both possibilities. If she stayed, everything would remain the same. She'd continue seeing her family every weekend, having dinner with Mia, and walking these same streets every day. It was safe, predictable, and comforting. But if she went, she could picture herself in the new city, a new apartment, new colleagues, new friends, and new adventures. It felt scary, but also exciting. For a moment, she let herself imagine what success could look like, thriving in her career, becoming more independent, and discovering things about herself she never knew. The thought brought a small smile to her face, but it also brought doubt. What if she failed? What if the new job wasn't what she expected? What if she couldn't make friends? The what-ifs were loud in her mind, pulling her back into fear. Then Emma remembered what Mia had said. Even if things don't work out, you'll learn something new. And what her mom had said, the best opportunities come when we take risks. Emma picked up a small stone from the ground and threw it into the river. It made a little splash, and ripples spread across the water. She watched as the ripples grew bigger and bigger, thinking about how small actions can create big changes. Maybe this decision was her chance to create ripples in her own life. She sat there for a while, letting her thoughts settle. Slowly, she started to feel a sense of calm. She didn't have all the answers yet, but she knew one thing for sure. She couldn't let fear make the decision for her. Emma stood up, brushing off her jacket. She still had doubts, but they didn't feel as heavy anymore. For the first time, she felt like the possibility of going was stronger than her fear of staying. As she walked home, Emma knew she was closer than ever to making her big decision. The next morning, Emma woke up with a strange sense of clarity. The uneasiness from the previous days seemed lighter. She stretched, sat up in bed, and took a deep breath. "Today is the day," she whispered to herself. She wasn't going to delay the decision any longer. Emma went about her morning routine. She made her coffee and sat at the kitchen table, staring at the 2 lists in her notebook. This time, instead of overthinking, she let her heart speak. She thought about her dreams, her goals, and the kind of life she wanted to create. For the first time, she realized that staying meant holding on to the past, while going meant building her future. She smiled as she closed the notebook and put it aside. She didn't need to look at the lists anymore. Deep down, she already knew what she wanted. Before making the call to accept the new job, Emma decided to share her choice with her mom and Mia. She picked up her phone and called her mom first. "Hi, Mom," Emma said, her voice steady but excited. "Hi, sweetheart. How are you feeling today?" her mom asked gently. "I'm feeling ready," Emma said with a small laugh. "I've made my decision. I'm going to take the job." Her mom paused, and Emma could feel the pride in her voice when she finally said, "That's wonderful, Emma. I know it's scary, but I'm so proud of you for taking this step. You're going to do amazing things." "Thanks, Mom. It means so much to hear that from you," Emma replied, feeling a wave of relief and confidence. Next, she called Mia. "Guess what?" Emma said as soon as Mia answered. "You're taking the job," Mia shouted, her voice full of excitement. Emma laughed. "How did you know?" "Because I know you, Emma. You're brave, and this is exactly what you need. I'm so proud of you," Mia said. "Thanks, Mia. I couldn't have made this decision without your support," Emma replied. "I'll miss you, though." "I'll miss you too, but don't worry. We'll visit each other and you'll be back for holidays. Plus, you're going to make so many new friends in your new city," Mia reassured her. After the calls, Emma felt a sense of peace. She had been so worried about making the wrong decision, but now she felt confident. She wasn't running away from her life. She was running toward her dreams. With her heart racing, she picked up the phone and called the hiring manager for the new job. Her voice was steady as she said, "Hi, this is Emma. I wanted to let you know I've decided to accept the offer." The words felt empowering, and as soon as she hung up, she felt a rush of excitement. She had done it. The big decision was made. That evening, Emma sat by the window, watching the sun set over her city. She thought about all the memories she had made here and the new adventures waiting for her in her next chapter. Change was scary, but it was also beautiful. For the first time in weeks, Emma felt truly at peace. Emma's story shows us how important it is to step out of our comfort zones and take a leap toward our dreams. What about you? Have you ever faced a big decision that changed your life? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and English listening practice. Let's improve our English together, one story at a time. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, every big decision starts with one small step.